Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and everyone had a great Diwali weekend. I had too. I was with my family and we really had a great time together. So I'm here with a review of one particular product that you all have read in the title. So yes, I wanted to share my reviews about this particular product because I'm so in love with it. I've used it 3 to 4 times since I got my hands on, and I'm really glad that MyGlam sent me this product, and it's a very I would say, I know MyGlam is known for their multitasking product. This is one of them, and it's really great to have in your vanity if you're looking forward to build a makeup vanity for if you're a beginner, or even though if you're a pro makeup artist. I think this is a great product to have in your vanity. And so if you want to know more about it, please give this video watching. So here I have it. This is the trio kit. It's called Chisel MyGlam Chisel IT trio kit. This includes a bronzer, a blusher and a highlighter. So it's a multi-purpose kit. And of course this doesn't come like this directly. It had a white carton box, which of course I throw it away, and I'm not able to find it, otherwise I would have showed you all. So this comes in a carton packaging, which is totally white, and there are details on the carton as well, like the ingredients and the packaging name, this, that, everything. And this is the actual packaging of the product. It's plastic, but it's all gold finish here, and then it's all white. And again there are what do you say, product description given, then there is manufacturing details and ingredient details, and everything has been shared at the back. This is how it looks. This is the big M has been embossed here, and it's like a gold transparency. Your fingerprints come here, like, but you can definitely clean it with a tissue and a dry cloth. And it looks luxurious. It's very sturdy. It's travel friendly, and it can be drop it in any of your handbag or purse or a makeup pouch, and you're good to take it on your travel. I really love this kit. It's not only about the packaging, but as I go on, you'll come to know the product is also great. I mean, the payoff of this particular product is really great. Yeah, this is the packaging. This is how it opens. Then you have this transparent plastic cover just to keep things in place. And this is the one. This is the bronzer, a blusher and a highlighter. And then there is this wide mirror. So even though when you're on the go, you're traveling, you're in car or in a vehicle, you can just quickly take it and brush it, or maybe you want to just fix it your mascaras or whatever. The mirror is also going to come handy along with this. So I really like the packaging. A big yay on a packaging. Now coming down to the products, these are all powder form. This is a bronzer, a very subtle bronzer, but everything is very buildable, so you can go as per your preference, how deep or how subtle you want the shades to be. This is a peach tone color and has all warm undertones. So this is like a peachish blusher. It's very pigmented, and it's again a buildable, and instantly just lights up your face, even though when you're you just want some fresh makeup, wherein you're just want to put on that no makeup look. This is an ideal palette to have in, wherein you can use all these shades. And then there is this highlighter. The highlighter is also very subtle. The glitter is very subtle. They are non-gritty. It's very fine, and it's very shiny. It gives that shine instantly. you can just go around and highlight your face. I'll just demo it for y'all because I have just done my base, but I haven't used any bronzer, blusher or a highlighter. I'm doing it in front of you all so that you also get an idea. I have also used this particular palette in the previous video where I have created a festive glam look incorporating my glam products, so you can have a look at there on that as well. And I also use this off camera. I use this for my Diwali look which I got ready. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen those pictures. And yeah, a couple of more times. I don't have those pictures to post, but yes, I have used this like 3 to 4 times now, and I'm sharing my honest review, though the product has been sent by a brand to me. So let's get started. I'll just show how I apply this particular thing, and you can see the difference by yourself. So let's just start with the bronzer first. This is the bronzer that I'm using. I'm not into more of contouring and stuff. I just like to give a definition to my face, so I like such subtle bronzers, and I'm good to go. So I'm just using the same mirror that this has, and yeah, let's just start. It's very subtle. You can build as per your preference. So you can take this from day to night look. You can just have a flush of a color for day and then just build it up a little bit for your night and glam it up accordingly. So can you see the difference? Like this side of the face is looking so structured and has got definitions, whereas this side of the face looks little flat. I mean, it's normal, and this has little elevation and structure. So that's the difference. So when you are bronzing, just see to it that you're taking this particular part and giving it pushing it in upward strokes. Then I'm taking towards the jawline as well. Little bit on my forehead. I have a small forehead, so I don't really require much, but I just take it for all to balance it out. So basically these 3 points while bronzing are important. This is one on your forehead, then you come down to your upper cheeks, and then you go down to your jawline. I really love the bronzer. It's really well pigmented and has a great payoff. So that's it. That's how it is. I'll just take little bit on bridges of my nose. This is how it adds a sharpness to your face. It gives a nice structure and a nice a shape to your face, so it doesn't really look flat or blunt. It just elevates your look. Next, I'm going in with this blusher. It's super pigmented. I just love it when blushes are that pigmented. Just going it like this on the apples of your cheeks. Instantly your entire look changes. I mean, one flash of color and then everything comes to its place. Always take it upwards so that it's gonna give you that lifted face rather than a droopy drop down face. And last but not the least, this particular highlighter. Highlighter is little more subtle and it doesn't really shows off in one swipe, but as I told, you can just go on building it the way you want. I hope it's see on the camera, I'm going under my eyebrows as well to highlight that area. I love such subtle highlighters. I mean, they are great for some, day brunches look, wherein it looks so natural. Doesn't give the feeling that you have applied any. I tend to apply it here as well, near the start of your brows, this side. On a cupid's bow and bridge of your nose. Yeah, so that's it. You can apply some on your collarbone when you're wearing such off shoulders, make it look sharp. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. That is what I wanted to show you all. I'll just swatch this for you guys. This is the bronzer. That's the blush, peachy blush. Then we have a highlighter. This is the one. These are the three: blush, bronzer and a highlighter. See how well pigmented they are. Highlighter is more towards the champagne side. So this was it. This particular kit has two shades. I mean, this is a shade called Face Value. So this has a peach blush and a highlighter, which is little warmer, and there is one more shade in this which is named as Poker Face. So that has, I think the blush is more towards pinkish, and the highlighter is little more what I would say, it's more towards cool tone. That's the only difference. I don't think so bronzer shade has any difference, but the bronzer and the blusher are both matte, and the highlighter is nice and shiny. It's suitable for all skin types. It's all powder based, and My Glam products are basically a multi-purpose, known for the multi-purpose use. So this kit is not only for the face, but you can also use the bronzer or a blusher, and as I showed, I use the highlighter on the brow bone, so you can use them for your eyes as well. And it's priced at 1250. It's 1250 rupees. I think it's really great for the price on offer. So I really recommend this particular product if anyone is looking for a good invest in a trio kit, a handy, travel friendly and multi-purpose one. Definitely go for My Glam. So yeah, My Glam products are all vegan. They are all cruelty free. They are free from all any chemicals and preservatives. So it makes a great product to have in your vanity, because it's not going to harm your skin. So the net weight of this particular product is around 12 grams, and it's priced at 1250 rupees, which is a great investment, and it's going to be long term, because obviously products like this, blushers and highlighters and bronzers, goes long way. So I think this is a great thing to have in. I really love this product, and I'm really great that My Glam sent me this and I could have it in my vanity, because I don't really have much of these trio kits. I know there are many in the market. I hope you all liked this video and found it useful. If you did, then do share it with your friends who are looking forward to buy this product, and let me know in the comments below that would you like to try, or you have already tried, you're using this particular one. And do subscribe to my channel for next video and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post my another video. Till then, take care, bye, stay gorgeous, see you in my next video.